All right, everyone. Here we are with ticker symbol SRNE, Sorrento Therapeutics Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I do want to state some things. Welcome to all my first-time viewers and investors. Hope you guys find this informative and helpful, and that you guys can go ahead and use this information to be better equipped and pay attention to certain cues. This one kind of hung out today within the middle range, right? And resistance levels and support were changed to new positions, and I'm going to go ahead and move them to their new locations. So I like to analyze the last couple of hours of the day because anything that happened before is good. But if we narrow it down to the last couple of hours of the day in the afternoon, at least we know what to pay close attention to based off of the chart ending the day and for how it's going to start tomorrow. Very bearish run, and then it got leveled off by the bulls, but still below the 50-day moving average. This is below that, and that states that we are in bearish territory, right? So this closed out at 1091, and the 50-day moving average is 1167. Until that is not broken through, the bulls have not gained any momentum. They can have a run, they can break through it, but if they don't use it as support and continue their way up, obviously they can quickly lose that momentum and potential and fall back down. So they're definitely going to want to break through 1167. But before getting there, they have a resistance level to break through, and that's 1151. Once the bulls break through 1151, test it, use it as support, then obviously the bulls can then be on their way to hitting newer highs, right? Just hang out around here, and then the next staircase, and then hang out around there, and they'll do that staircase effect and then a move in an upward direction. So that will be significant if they can break through this resistance level and continue their run. They'll break through the 50-day moving average and work their way up to newer highs and back into bullish territory. On the other spectrum of things, which is what the bears want and to continue dominating, is the support level. And the support level is 1074. If 1074 gets broken through, this could be on its way to newer lows. And two things can happen. The bears are maintaining control and taking over this one and pulling it away from the 50-day moving average of 1167, or the bulls can take advantage of the price and bring this one back up, because as we can see, yesterday there was a low that got hit and then the bulls reappeared and brought it up. They even broke over the 50-day moving average but quickly lost that momentum. So yes, the bulls can reappear if support of 1074 is broken through. They can reappear, but their goal will be to reappear, continue the momentum, and get back to these resistance levels to be broken and work their way past the 50-day moving average. This is going to be a very interesting one for tomorrow. Definitely the bulls did their best to bring this one back up and leveled off. At least it's above yesterday's highs and yesterday's lows. But this is on its way to staying in bearish territory if it breaks through the support and newer lows. So that is something to keep in mind and will be very significant if the bulls do not come in hefty and strong. Now, there is another thing that can happen, which tends to happen a lot. The stock falls and it falls below the support. And then also the 50-day moving average moves, with the stock. And a lot of times that is the point of where the bulls are going to try to come back hefty and strong, and they pulled the 50-day moving average, right? Because the bears brought it down with them. They brought it down here, and then that is where the bulls take advantage of breaking back through support, breaking through the 50-day moving average before even hitting resistance, right? Because resistance will be anywhere in this area, and they brought it back into bullish territory, and they can then do a staircase effect from there. But that is another way of looking at it. But right now, significantly, What's important is the resistance level, the support level, and where the 50-day moving average is, and where this is going to go tomorrow, and see who starts to gain leverage. Will it be the bears early in the day, or will it be the bulls? Because the tug of war will start very early in the day, and we'll see who takes over. Thank you guys for watching. As always, if you learned something new, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and let me know you watched this video, and share this with your friends and community. Let's make some money.